Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a real account on Metatrader 5. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in metatrader5.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the Metatrader 5 official website. Now click on Find Broker at the top section and you will see the various different broker lists with which you can create an account. Make sure you choose your broker wisely and then click on Open an account in order to create a real account for your Metatrader 5. After proceeding forward to open an account, you will be asked to enter your details to continue creating your account. Enter your email address within the email address box and then type in your preferred password. Then click on the Continue button and you will be asked to fill up further information about your personal as well as your identity requirements. After completing all of those registrations and verifying your account through your email and phone number, you will gain access to your newly created account on Metatrader 5. You can then log in using this account by using the server that you used while signing up. And there you have it. That is how you can create a real account on Metatrader 5. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.